Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I'm glad to be here. I love sharing subscription boxes, and it's that time in December where I start getting my boxes. And today I got my Ipsy, or I didn't get it today, yesterday I think, my the Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy. And so for the month of December, and so we're just going to get into it and see what I got here. So let's get going. All right, friends. First, I want to tell you thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Hit the like button, follow me, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And I really appreciate that. And so let's get going here on what we have. So I'm opening up, first time I'm opening it up to really see what's in here. But anyway, there's the box. I didn't check details, but this box, I think you pay around $35 a month for it. It comes with 5 beauty products. I add a beauty boost, which you get a really expensive, really nice product added for an extra $15. A lot of times the products are well over $100. So anyway, it's kind of a fun, I think this month is probably the month I was most disappointed with my beauty boost, but we'll get to that. But usually I'm really happy with my beauty boost. So this is, the theme is Unwrapped Joy. I love that. Look at her cute top with that bow on it. Anyway, so it just, it talks about some of the products and how holiday party perfection, skincare decadence. It just gives you December micro trends. So it's just kind of a fun little pamphlet with informative information. Actually, this is one I actually want to read. So I kind of like it. So anyway, there's that. And so we're just going to get in here, and I'm first going to share, they have what you call power picks. Those are picked by Ipsy for you. I don't know what all the choices were this month, but I remember seeing kind of some of this, or when I did my choices, I was a little bit disappointed with some of these, but actually they may not be too bad. Sometimes I talk myself into them, but the first pick I have from there this is from Oop, and it is a second skin concealer in All-Star. So I can't complain about a concealer. That looks a little yellow to me though. We'll see what it looks like inside here. So anyway, there's that. I'm going to open it. Haven't ever tried this concealer. I like concealers. I don't know about the color. Okay. I tried it. So that's what the color looks like. It does look a little bit yellowish to me, but that might be good. Actually, that might be just what they needed. It kind of blended right into my skin. So anyway, it's not bad. It looks like there's quite a bit concealer in here. So anyway, that's my first product. This is valued at $22. And I have Oop. I have heard of them. They've come out with some fun products. Just a midline kind of beauty brand. So the second thing I have here is that I got from them is from Appeal. And right here, Appeal Cosmetics. This is, and I'm kind of excited about this because I have been looking for good eye primers. I mean, I have some that have been favorites, but I'm kind of running out of them. So I've been wanting to try some new ones. So that's what this is. So this is an eye primer. Not sure. I'm not real familiar with this brand. But anyway, it says hydrating eyeshadow primer. And, ooh, look at that. Okay. It's kind of got a fun little, I like that. That's really fun. So maybe this will be a good thing. I'm going to see if it, okay, it's just kind of a clear, see that little dot there? Looks like kind of just a clear, like a gel almost, or, okay, rubs in. Okay, we'll see. Feels like it might be good. Once I rub it in, it feels like it has that kind of that whatever makes your eyeshadow stick. So anyway, that's my second product that they chose for me. And then now I'm going to get to my 3 picks. The first pick I have here is something I can't resist. In this box here, this is Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. It's they say it's valued at $48. I don't believe it, because these palettes this size are usually, you can get them for like $27. So I don't know what that price point was about. But it is, no, I guess that's right, because it's one of their bigger ones. So maybe that is right. Natasha Denona is a more pricey eyeshadow brand. I just shared 2 new palettes I got in another video that I got on. So I pretty much completed my large palettes from Natasha Denona. Let's see. I just got the Glam palette and the I Need a Nude palette. So I'm excited about that. You'll need to go check out that video and so you can see what they are all about. But anyway, this is beautiful. What a beautiful eye look. I love that. Really all you need is, this has 5 colors, and that's really all you need sometimes, just so, and it's compact kind of the size. So anyway, really like that. Happy with my first choice. And my second choice, I got a blush kit from Ciate London. This just looked really pretty. I'm a sucker for blushes too. I just have so many. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to keep this palette or not, because I just have so many, but we're going to see what it's about. I know I'm going to want it. But, so how cute is that? It's called the Cherry Bomb. Cherry Bomb, Ciate London. So there we go. And let's see. I get to see it first. Okay. This isn't what I thought. Okay, they call it the Cherry Bomb Blush and Highlighter. This says in light medium. Well, I don't know. This color, the colors in here look different than what's on the picture. The ones on the picture look really, really great. These look just so-so. It looks more like a bronzer blush highlighter palette. I'm a little disappointed. I think the other picture I saw had more pinky colors. So this doesn't look very cherry to me, but anyway, it looks beautiful. I mean, the highlighter looks beautiful, and this looks like it actually would be a really good blush or bronzer and blush. So anyway, there's that. Like I said, a little disappointed with the colors. I'm not sure it's like the picture, but anyway, it's really fun, cute packaging. So that's my second pick. And my third pick is, what did I pick for my third pick? My third pick, I picked, it's a lip balm from Delish. Okay, this balm is valued at $29. So it says it'll be your new holy grail. It has a high gloss tint to it, and it just is moisturizing and yummy. So I like that right there. It looks like the color's kind of a peachy, pinky color. So I can tell it's going to be sheer. I don't know if I want to put this over my lipstick or not. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good on. So anyway, happy with that. I'm always happy with a really good, I mean, you can tell this is a really good quality lip balm. So, and I like that it has shine and a little bit of color. So anyway, there's that. That's my last pick. Now we're going to go to the power pick. And the power pick is from Clark's Botanicals. I've heard of it. it's got to be, it's very expensive brand. And this is not very big of a container. So that's why I was a little bit disappointed, because I'm like, something I could live without, but it's nice to get something expensive like this that I would normally not pay the money for. So if I look at it in that way, it's not too bad. So this is a Vital Healing Cream. It's supposed to help help soften and vitalize skin. So there it is. I don't know if I can get it open. So it's just kind of it's a light cloudy, it's got a real light scent. It's a light cloudy consistency. So I don't know. Valued at, I think it was $129. Let me see. They call it Jasmine Vital Cream, and it's valued at $125. I do like the scent. I do like the feel of it. And Petal Soft Skin. It is supposed to help with stressed out skin. So anyway, there's that. There's my beauty boost. My beauty boost. So my 3 picks were the Delish Lip Balm, Shiny Lip Balm, the Tarte Face Palette, and the Natashadenona eyeshadow. Then the products that they gave me were the Appeal eyeshadow primer and the concealer. So that's what I got. So there is my my 5 items in my bag. I'm not going to complain, because actually these are items I'll use. The only one I was a little disappointed with was this face palette. It's actually a really nice face palette. I just have so many face palettes and things, so I'm not sure I'll use it. I may pass it on to someone else who would love it. So anyway, there's that. And now I've got a few add-ons, not many, but we're going to see what we got here for add-ons. Okay, so this is from Most Wanted. You know what? I'm wondering if I picked this up. It's not on my list anywhere. I'm wondering if I picked it up as a bonus or with my points. Okay, it's just a lip. It's just a lip. It looks like it's a good color. So it looks like a lip stain kind of color. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I picked up in the shop for the 3, these are like through the 350 items. This is a from Lovecraft Beauty. It's a gel eyeliner pencil in Fuzzy, which is like a matte brown. Now, I don't really use browns. I use black, but I kind of want to try a brown. So anyway, that's why I got this one. So there's that. So I like the gel and everything. So anyway, so the next items I got for $3.50 were my favorite hair brand is Amika. I love the smell. These are just a shampoo and conditioner and the purple shampoo. So it says help bust your brass. So anyway, it kind of helps enhance your color or take away some of the brassiness. So I'm excited about that. I would even be happier if they were bigger, but only paid $3.50. So anyway, and the last thing I got in the cheap items was just a 5-piece brush set. I pick these up sometimes. I like to give them when I'm giving friends makeup gifts or whatever. Sometimes it's fun to throw in a thing of pencil or brushes. So anyway, that's that. So I got the brown eyeliner, the brushes, the shampoo and conditioner. Those are my $3.50 items. And then I picked up this Most Wanted from Estate. This lip color. I think this was the bonus, or not bonus, but I used bonus points for it. So I bought it in the point shop. So anyway, there's that. So that's my December Boxycharm. Let me know what you think. Did you have a favorite item? I don't know. Probably I'm happy with a lot of these products. So it's hard to pick a favorite, but this is probably the winner. So just because I love Natashadenona eyeshadow so much. So anyway, that was fun. So that's it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I appreciate your support. And thank you for being here. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.